就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hi, it's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin, and today we have the music of Chen Weiroo with a song called 橫打直過, which literally means going sideways to charge ahead. Well, you see, Chen uses this metaphor in the lyrics about a crab, how it always walks sideways, and how life should be like that too. When you hit an obstacle, you don't need to go in a straight line. You can go sideways to avoid the obstacle and still reach your goal. So let's take a listen to this song. Again, it's called 橫打直過。
路招風，虛算不過，一共下見起步路，沙巴紅，我係甩甩痛，沙巴紅，我係甩甩痛。
这首叫做《橫打直過》橫打直過，就是陳瑋儒的作品哦。到底在描述什么？第一个，这个风格是非常摇滚硬派风格哦。不过里面却在讲说，人生啊不一定要一直线的走，就像螃蟹一样，它可以横打直过的意思，懂吗？就是碰到任何的一些阻碍啊，我们可以绕着它走，然后还是可以得到我们最后要的结果。哇，非常有意义的一首歌。Thank you for listening to another Hakka song here on ICRT. I'm Joseph Lin, and we'll see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.